But let's try the pineapple. Some nice fresh pineapple with some Reaper chocolate. Oops. Here you go. And believe me, I taste the Reaper. It is hot. But for me, 1, 2 out of 10. Nothing major. Also the same like with the pear. You taste the chocolate. You don't taste the Reaper. You just get the burn. But the taste of the pineapple is just over everything. It's like a pineapple infused with Reaper that you're eating. Oh, and the banana as well. I've got banana as well. But it is extremely nice.